We're going to be doing med ball slams, and this will help with force output and also muscle activation if we're going to go into other plyometric activities. This is a good one to start with. And so first you're going to start with your feet in a neutral stance, hip width distance apart. You're going to go down, keep your spine and your neck neutral, and make sure you lift with your legs and not your back. And then you're going to go up, down. And so the first phase is going to be squatting and pushing up with your core, and then the second phase is going to be pushing down. The third phase is going to be returning back to the squat.
He got locked out.
Alright, so we're going to be doing lateral bounds this time. So I've set out 2 pieces here. We're going to stay on the inside of them, so we're going to focus on just hitting these corners here. You're going to want to make sure that you're down in a anatomical position, so your hips are over your toes, over your heels. You want to make sure that your toe posture is nice and tall. When we're jumping from side to side, we're thinking about jumping down, out, so we're going to press off on both feet, jumping out, landing on the one, holding down nice and hard, nice and soft right here, holding this position, and then jumping across to the other side, holding it, and then back and forth a couple times. So it'll look like this. Holding, pushing, holding, pushing, holding.
Okay.
All right, for the lateral bounds, you're going to start on one side, or you can start in the middle. I'll start on one side, and for here, you're just going to bound over to the other cone here and stick the landing. And on the landing, you want to make sure you're staying not too upright and that you get a little bit down into the landing to absorb the shock from the impact. So you want to keep your knee over your toes, shoulder over your knees, instead of being too upright. So you want to be able to absorb that impact. So just jumping back and forth, sticking the landing and holding the balance there before moving into the next
We're
one.
going to start with our feet shoulder width apart in an athletic stance. We're going to lower ourselves until we're parallel with the ground and we have a neutral spine, and we're going to pick the ball up for the first phase. And for the second phase, we're going to pick ourselves up, bring the ball above our head, and keep a neutral spine still and straight up and slam the ball to the ground.